Total station surveyors in Lajpat Nagar play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. With their expertise and the use of advanced equipment like total stations, they are able to accurately measure distances, angles, and coordinates on a piece of land. Lajpat Nagar, located in the heart of Delhi, is known for its bustling markets and residential areas. The presence of total station surveyors in this area is essential for various construction projects, urban planning, and property development. Total station surveyors in Lajpat Nagar utilize a total station, which is a combination of an electronic theodolite and an electronic distance meter. This equipment allows them to measure both vertical and horizontal angles, as well as distances, with high precision. By collecting these measurements, they are able to create detailed maps, plans, and 3D models of the surveyed area. This information is invaluable for architects, engineers, and construction companies involved in projects in Lajpat Nagar. Lajpat Nagar is a densely populated area with a mix of residential and commercial properties. The services provided by total station surveyors are essential for the development and expansion of infrastructure in this area. Whether it's for constructing new buildings or renovating existing ones, accurate land surveying is necessary to ensure that the project is implemented correctly. Total station surveyors help in identifying boundaries, contours, and any existing structures on the land. This information helps architects and designers to plan their projects accordingly. SCON Design is a renowned architectural firm based in Delhi that specializes in providing comprehensive design services. With their team of skilled architects and engineers, they have successfully completed numerous projects in Lajpat Nagar and other areas across Delhi. SCON Design collaborates closely with total station surveyors in Lajpat Nagar to ensure that by working together, they are able to create designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and compliant with local regulations. The partnership between total station surveyors and SCON Design has proven to be highly beneficial for clients in Lajpat Nagar. By incorporating accurate land survey data into their designs, SCON Design is able to minimize errors during the construction process. This helps in reducing costs and ensuring that the project is completed within the specified timeframe. Total station surveyors also provide ongoing support during the construction phase by monitoring the progress and verifying that the project is being implemented as per the design. In conclusion, total station surveyors in Lajpat Nagar area of Delhi. Their expertise and the use of advanced equipment like total stations ensure precise measurements and data collection. Partnering with architectural firms like SCON Design, they contribute to